In this video, I want to show you how you can trade out early of a bet365 2up and not have to wait for that full turnaround every single time. Welcome back to the channel. For those of you new here, my name's Chris, and on here I like to talk about making money online and generally how to be smarter with your money. The regular viewers of the channel know that match betting, and especially the bet365 2up strategy, is a huge part of the content on this channel, and I wanted to make this video to show you how you can trade out of 2ups early after a YouTube comment that I read asking about can you still make profits still, or do you have to wait for a 2up to turn around? So when your team goes 2 goals ahead, this person was asking, is the only way you can make profit for the other team to come back and draw 2-2? And no, that's not the case. You can actually trade out and guarantee a profit every time your team goes 2 goals ahead. I've also had questions over on the Profit Boss Facebook group, of which you can check out the link for that down in the description. But questions on the Facebook group about, how do you trade out? Can you just press the trade out button on Smarkets? How do you use the early payout calculator? Can you partially trade out? So really in this video, I want to explain all the different ways you can trade out early, how you should be doing it, and when you should be doing it. My preferred strategy with 2ups is actually now to leave matches to fully turn around each time. So no matter how tempting it might be to trade out early, I now have the confidence in the system to just leave every single game so that you take the huge profits when they go full turnaround. But if you're brand new to the 2up strategy and you haven't built up that confidence yet, then this trading out early will be perfect for you. So let's get on the laptop now then, and I'll show you the first method of how you can trade out of a match really fast. So on here on Smarkets, this is the Juventus-Porto match. Now, I haven't got any bet on this, so I'm just going to place a lay bet against Juventus of 5 pence there. Press the like button, by the way, if you can appreciate the extreme expense I'm going to here. If this lay bet doesn't win, it's going to cost me 2 pence. So really, I'm going to a lot of expense here. But let's just go ahead and confirm that lay bet. So imagine now we've got a back bet on that, and ignore the small amounts. Pretend this is for a £100 back bet on a 2up. And we have this little green button here next to the team we're on, which just says trade out on it. So basically what that is going to do is, if you just have a back bet at bet365 and you just have your lay bet for that, just for that 2up, then you can just simply, so once your team goes 2 goals ahead, you can then trade out. So you'll be wanting to back Juventus again here, but rather than having to click, the back button there, the green one, and then place a back stake there, rather than doing that, you can just press the trade out button, and it's going to actually say trade out by 5 pence at 1.48, and then you would just click the trade out button and then confirm, and then that will then trade you out of the bet. So we'll just go ahead and do that. So now, because the figures were so small, so actually, if you press the like button because I'm going to a large expense, then I do apologize. What's actually going to happen now is, as you can see, it's not going to cost me a penny. So I do apologize if you press the like button. But that is now just traded us completely out of it. You can see here on the side, like I say, because the amounts are so small, we laid it at 5 pence and then we backed it at 5 pence. And because it's so small there that there's barely any difference in it. So literally that's cost nothing there. But by just pressing that trade out, you've got out of your 2up. Now, the only time you would want to use that trade out button is when you literally just have that one bet on for a bet365 2up. So if you have any bets elsewhere, so say William Hill, you've put a £10 qualifying bet on to get, say, a £30 free bet. That's their welcome offer. You would not want to use that trade out button if that qualifying bet at another bookmaker is on that same team, because then you would not just be trading out of your 2up bet, but of course you'd also be trading out of that other bet at the other bookmaker. And then if that match doesn't end in the result that we want, then you're going to lose money. So really, please only use that trade out button if it's just for the 2up that you've got that on and just that single bet. If you do have multiple bookmaker bets on that one team for whatever reason, say it happens to be a good odds match at a few different bookies, you can actually go over to OddsMonkey, go onto Tools, and then down to Calculators, and down to the Early Payout Calculator. And that's literally as it says. The early payout calculator is just for this type of offer. So, for example, we're going to put £100 in there as the back stake. Back odds of, say, we'll put back odds of 3.0. Max winnings you leave blank. And then the lay odds, say we got on the 2up at 3.1. And the lay commission was 0 because obviously, I say obviously, but if you're not aware, as an OddsMonkey premium member, you get to use Smarkets at 0%. There's many people actually on the Facebook group that have said they're an OddsMonkey member or Profit Accumulator member, and they're still paying 2% at Smarkets. So I say obviously, but there's actually a lot of people that don't know about that. So do make sure you're on the 0%. We can then see that it's given us the usual, this is your lay stake you need to place, here's your liability. Now, when your team goes 2 goals ahead, you can actually go down onto this box and it says, has the bookmaker paid out early? You would just select yes. And then, so when it's set to no, it's going to show your qualifying loss there across all the outcomes. But when you press yes, it's now going to show you if it ends in a draw, so 2-2, or the other team bring it back and win 3-2 or 4-2 or whatever. That's going to show you then the full turnaround profit there that you could make. However, if you're not confident in the system yet and you don't want to hope for a 2-2 draw or your team losing, you can actually then go over to the exchange, see what the back odds are for that team now. So in our example here, a random example, the back odds were 3.0 when the match before the match started, when you got on that bet. And if the team's gone 2 goals ahead at, say, 15 minutes in, my guess is the back odds would then be around 1.2-ish for a back odds of 3 before the match started. If it's a 2-up very early on, it could be around 1.2 is a best case scenario. So you would just put exchange back odds at 1.2 in there. And now it's going to tell you back stake £249.99. And that is the back stake that you would then go over to Smarkets and press on the back that team. Don't lay them again. You need to back that team now to trade out of the lay bet. And you would simply just place that amount in there. And then as you can see in the profit breakdown there, it's now giving you your exact profit no matter what happens because you've traded out of it. So now we've looked at how you can trade out really fast by pressing trade out at Smarkets, how you can trade out on the early payout calculator if you happen to have multiple bets on that one team. Now let's take a look at an advanced part of the early payout calculator and actually show you how you can do partial trade outs if you want to. So sticking with the same example of £100 back stake, back odds of 3.0, lay odds of 3.1 and the lay commission is 0%. We're now going to press yes again. They have paid out early. And we'll stick with the same 1.2 exchange back odds just to keep it nice and simple. But at the bottom here, you want to click on where it says advanced mode in the bottom corner. Just click that to on. So that's now turned the advanced part of the calculator on. And what you can actually do is you can decide how much of the profit you want to lock in. So there it says lock in 100%. Of course, if you want to lock in 100%, it's going to be the same back stake. But that's gonna give us the same profits there. But if you want to say lock in, you can put that all the way down to just 10%. It's going to give you £25 back stake. And then as you can see now, so no matter what happens, you'll make a profit of £1.78. So you'll have got rid of so without any backing, you're actually taking a qualifying loss of £3.22 there. But if you were to just, say if we just move it to, let's go to 7%, so 7% lock-in, you've now made that completely risk-free. So no matter what happens, you'll make 28 pence. But if that then does go for a full turnaround, you'll make the £279.27. Now, you might have got on, say, 20 matches and you're going through a bit of a long streak without any full turnarounds. So you may want to just get rid of some of those qualifying losses. Say if it's 20 matches, you've averaged £2 on each one. That's £40. So say you want to get £10 back just to sort of break away at some of those qualifying losses. Then you would just slide it to 27%, back £67.50, and now you can see you're making £10.28 no matter what. But then if it goes to a draw or a loss, then you're making much more. Now, you can also do something called a part back using this advanced calculator. So I've just left everything blank now. All you want is just the yes, early payout has been paid, and then have everything else blank. And you would literally just put, back stake, so part backs, back odds of say 1.2, and then you back in £20. And if that's if that then stays that way, and those back odds go down because your team's still winning 2-0, then that's fine. You've guaranteed 78p profit there. But then if the other team comes back and scores 1 goal, the back odds could actually go straight up to say 1.6, and you might want to back another £20. Now, by doing that, you've then added more profit in there. And then again, if it goes to 2-2 and say the back odds of your team at the exchange are 3.0, and then you want to back another £20, then you could guarantee £52.78 there. Of course, if it's already then 2-2, you probably wouldn't want to then back any more. You'd probably just leave it to finish to take the large payout. But that just shows you that you have many options here. You don't need to just get on the team, hope for it to turn around. You can either just trade out super fast or use the early payout calculator and either do a sliding scale of locking in a certain percentage of profit, or do the part backs each time. If you want to trade out a certain amount at 2-0, trade out a bit more if it goes to 2-1, and then trade out even more if it goes to 2-2. Because I have seen it where I've been on a 2-up, it's gone to 2-2, and I've thought, oh great, there's going to be a great, massive profit here. And then my team's gone on to score a third goal and it's finished 3-2 and I didn't make anything. So potentially, if you wanted to be on the super safe side, you could then also back your team again when they go 2-2. So I hope you now know exactly how to trade out of these bet365 2up offers. And if you have any question whatsoever about this, please do join me here on the channel. I am live Monday to Thursday at 7 p.m. for 1 hour, answering all your questions to do with match betting and now even making money online in general. So do get involved in those live streams. If you've enjoyed this video, please press the like button below. It'll take you 1 second. It's completely free to do, and it'll help the Profit Boss channel grow massively. So please do press the like button if you found any value in this video whatsoever. And yeah, until next time, thank you very much for watching then, and I'll see you in the next one.